Hi, I'm Day from FODMAPeveryday.com, and I'm here to show you some of the amazing fresh foods you can eat on the low FODMAP diet. Now, we hear a lot from people saying, what can I eat? Well, if you use the Monash University smartphone app, it's really going to help you understand what you can eat and in what amounts you can eat them. Now, what do all these foods have in common? All of these foods are free of detectable FODMAPs. What does that mean? It means that Monash University has actually taken these foods into the lab, tested them, and in the serving sizes that they recommend, there are no detectable FODMAPs. So you, even if you're on the elimination phase, you can be integrating papaya, cucumber, all kinds of potatoes, carrots, grapes. I have red grapes here, but green and black grapes as well have no detectable FODMAPs. Strawberries and red pepper. Now I want to point out this tomato for a moment. This beefsteak tomato has no detectable FODMAPs per serving. That's not the same as cherry tomatoes and plum tomatoes. So you have to really read and use the app to help you understand what would be suitable and what isn't. The other thing you can find out in the app is you'll find vegetables like this wonderful kale and Swiss chard. It'll be there in the fine print. It'll tell you that these have trace amounts of FODMAPs. So while they're not free of detectable FODMAPs, these are also foods that you can add to your diet fairly liberally. And that's the point. We want you to keep your gut nice and happy, but to eat as broadly as possible because that's what's best for your gut health. And the app can help get you there. So all these foods, we've got recipes on the site at FODMAPeveryday.com, and we hope that you take advantage of them and use your app to eat deliciously.